So these are the tools we need to properly install our quick connect fitting for our sample line tubing, as well as the tools that you would need to use for a lot of chemical injectors for chemical feed pumps, which typically utilize a 1/4-inch thread. All right, these again are your quick connect fittings. They come in the bag with the manual. What doesn't come with the controller are going to be the tools. You're going to have these yourself. You got to have Teflon tape. You got to have your pair of channel locks. You got to have your 7/16 drill bit, your 1/4-inch MPT tap. Again, MPT tap, it's important that you make sure it's a 1/4-inch MPT tap, and you need to have the 7/16 drill bit. That is the proper size drill bit for this tap. All right, if you want to utilize a drill to insert this tap, I cannot stress the importance enough of not burying this tap. We want to keep 3 to 4 threads exposed. If you do want to use the drill, you're going to need to have your socket adapter for your drill, and this socket that goes right on here nice to the actual tap itself is a 1/2-inch socket. And going to utilize your drill to insert that tap into the pipe. So these are the tools you need. Again, you'll have to have your drills to make sure you can actually drill that hole into the actual pipe. If you don't have the socket adapter or the socket for the tap, you can use just a standard pair of channel locks or any other wrench to insert that tap into the pipe.